Hi everybody, Mr. TODD back again. It is May 13th, and I'm here at beautiful Lake K Commons, which there's a Publix over there. Behind me is the lake with a 1.1 mile trail that goes all the way around. It also goes right up next to the convention center, the Orange County Convention Center here in Orlando. And we came out here this morning because we got word that they were going to be doing a flyover of a couple fighter jets to help support the healthcare community that have been instrumental in battling the pandemic that's going around right now. So came out, and you'll see in the next clip two fighter jets flying right over the Orange County Convention Center. Are you gonna come back?